Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add motion graphics or animations to text in CapCut. So I've got a clip here that I've already layered out so that when we add our text, oops, when we add our text, it should show up behind the object, behind the person. I've done a video about this, so if you want to find out how you can do it, you can go ahead and watch that one too. So let's say at the summit for the caption, let's italicize it, change the font a bit, and there. So let's say I want to add a little more emphasis and capture the viewer's attention by adding animations. All we have to do is click on the animation tab in the top right. Then you have your ins, your outs, and your loops. So I want an animation for when it goes in. Let's try. What was the effect? I should have favorited it. How about here? Let's try flip verbatim. See how that looks. So that's pretty good. Maybe we can extend the duration a little so that it's a bit more cinematic. Yep, that looks good. Maybe let's change it. Let's delay the entry a little and match the durations. Let's watch it back. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So there are also other options you can experiment with here in this tab. CapCut has plenty of motion graphics to choose from, preset animations, and they're all usually pretty well done. So the first one we used was Flip Verbatim. If you want to keep track of them, you can also click on the star icon so they show up in your favorites tab. So that's how to add motion graphics to text using CapCut.